hey, well, I don't have any debt, Lance, but do you have $1,000 in savings? Well, let's do that, or hey, let's create a budget, or hey, let's do other stuff. So hey, this is Lance McGowan, and I have my friend Tanner Fergard here, and today we're covering part 7 of our Financial Stewardship Academy, exclusively available on YouTube. And today's topic is talking about Larry Burkett and his influence on Financial Stewardship Academy. So in the previous video, we talked a lot about, how this whole financial stewardship process works and how to graduate. And really the first part of this is thinking well, and this is part A. And so it involves your life journey. And like any journey, sometimes you'll take 2 steps forward and 1 step back. Don't be discouraged though. Just jump back on the path wherever you are. And so this is going to be really important to keep in mind as we're moving towards your financial goals and ultimately to financial freedom.
Absolutely. These destination videos progress in order. So you may find that you've already completed several of these destinations already. So just pick up where you feel like you need to start from so that you can continue your journey.
A lot of it may mean getting out of debt, saving, or having a savings or emergency fund, or even having something for retirement. So depending on where you are, you can leapfrog certain aspects, or if you've not met your goal and fallen back, or not really accomplished what you wanted, then keep that in mind too. And so reviewing every destination video and checking off what you've already accomplished is going to be key, and the Crown Money Map will work best when you print off and keep it as a visible place as a daily reminder. So this Crown Money Map has been built into the Financial Stewardship Academy video series that we're doing. But if you want to also have it, you can go to crown.org and look for the money map, and also have it as a great visual representation that you can put in your kitchen cupboards, you can put on your refrigerator, you can put in your bathroom mirror. And so it's a daily reminder to help it be more of a lifestyle with regards to this stewardship of our resources, and also what we think, say, and do too.
Absolutely. Start with the first destination that you've not yet finished. For example, if you haven't saved $1,000 for emergencies, then start at destination 1.
And that's going to be important to keep in mind too, because you may have completed other destinations, but if you haven't met this one first, you need to just start with this one first. This is going to be, goal number 1. A lot of them are like, hey, well, I don't have any debt, Lance, but do you have $1,000 in savings? Well, let's do that, or hey, let's create a budget, or hey, let's do other stuff. So those other videos that we're going to be doing are going to cover that in more detail. Well, that's all we have for today. You can save 30% off of our Financial Stewardship Academy webinar by using the discount code FREEDOM in the description below.
Make sure that you click the like button if you got some value out of today's video, and tap the share button if you know of anybody that can benefit from this financial education.
And we'll see you in the next video.